Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 1 litre Civic SR. Now it is finished in rally red and it does come with 4 front parking sensors, LED daytime running lights, and of course front fog lights for when the weather is a bit boggy. Now going into the alloys, we have got these freshly refurbished 17-inch alloy wheels as standard. We have fully refurbed every single alloy, so I will go into each and every alloy just so you can see what the design pattern on them actually are. But walking around to the back now, just showing you the back of the car, you get 4 rear parking sensors along with a reversing camera just up at the top there. Into the boot, you get plenty of room in here. You also get 60-40 split flat folding rear seats. Up on the top left hand side, you also get a 12-volt power outlet in case you want a cooler box in the tailgate compartment. And then you do have this very nice and convenient pull-over privacy shelf just there. We've then got this privacy shelf just here. They both work together to ensure maximum privacy in the tailgate. Walking around again, just showing you the rear alloy here. In the back of the car now, we've got full cloth interior with Isofix mounting points down at the bottom. It is fully black throughout. Jumping inside the front of the car now, you'll notice that we do have your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've then got your ECON and your stop start on or off just there. We've then got your 6-speed manual gearbox just here, and your dual climate control in the front as well, which can be operated via the touchscreen display like so. In here we've got your satellite navigation. We've also got your Bluetooth hands-free. And then last but not least, we have all your various audio sources just here. And to top the screen off, we have a reversing camera like so. Over to the steering wheel now, we've got your volume, onboard computer controls, Bluetooth hands-free and voice control. The arrows work between your infotainment and your onboard computer. We've got your cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side, which has your lane keep assist and distance control. We've then got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this car has done 15,633 miles. Jumping back outside now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information regarding this Civic SR, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.